function concatenate. Concatenate is a very important function and can be used very effectively. If used very effectively, can help you in creating passwords, can help you in doing data analysis, can help you encrypt your messages, or at the same time encrypt your datas. So how to use the concatenate function? Suppose currently I am having these 2 points where I am having the name of a company and the mobile number. These are all arbitrary numbers generated using random function. They are not any actual numbers. So what I have done, I want to have that this company should concatenate with this number. The company name should concatenate with this number so that it becomes a concatenated list. So how to do that? Just go into the cell. Here you can just type equal to, then concat. This is the basically function concat or concatenate. These both are the same function, concat. And then now it is asking the syntax of the concat is, it is asking text 1, text 2, text 3. Whatever the text you want to have, you want to add that text, you have to do that. So how to use that? Now currently I want this text should be there. Then if I just take, now it is asking another text which you want to concatenate. So I am just taking mobile number. Now I have done this. Now just close the bracket, or if close the bracket, enter. So what you are finding, it is urban company, this is the number. But it's becoming very hard to identify, or if you want to add any another character also, like a space between it, or if you want to add a hyphen into it. So how to do that? So for that, simple, go in again, equal to concat, open the function text 1 comma, now give a double quote, double quote. In the double quote, give the character, give the any number which you want in between of these two different numbers. So for example, I want a hyphen here, so I will just close, and then backslash, sorry, not hyphen, backslash. Then with the backslash, I also want to have a space also. So I given space there, then comma. Now I want to have this number, mobile number, into it. Now enter. So you can see now there is a one backslash also into this. You can actually have another space before backslash, so it will be very much like this, class plus dash. And these are all arbitrary numbers, all arbitrary names. Don't take it otherwise these are not real numbers and all. So just to explain the concept, I am using this kind of numbers. In my previous video, I also shown you about how to use right function, left function, and the middle function. Actually, you can use these functions with these data points with concatenate and create a different kind of encrypted messages also. For one example I will show, so that it will be very much clear to you how to use that. I am just using a left function. In the comment box you can actually give me the same uses with the right function and the mid function. It will be a very fun activity, at the same time a very good activity to learn something new. So how to do that? Just equal to, now concat, in concat just take this. Now write the function which you want. I will write like example left of text. This text I want to have. Then how many characters I want? I want 3 characters, and 3 characters, and then bracket close. One part is done. Concat has taken the first part from this, the left portions of this has been taken. Now I want to have the last 4 digit of the mobile number should be in that message. So I can just write RIGHT, right, then comma, then open bracket, and in open bracket now go for the text. So mobile number icon for the text, comma, and now I want 4, that the last 4 digits should be in my password. So I just written the 4 and close the bracket, and close it, enter. Now you can see that in this function, now it has taken three numbers of this first three variables of this and the last four digits of this. That way I have created one encrypted message. Now this kind of encrypted message are very much required in lot of data analysis at the same time to create a great um, great functions, and at the same time have a much wider applications in dashboard making and data analysis. Also, in this concatenate function can be used, concatenate plus right left functions can very much be used to clean up your data and to combine two or three variables which you want to, which are having less significant in your data analysis or in your given data, and you want to have a one encrypted message or one encrypted data of that. So you can actually take 3-4 columns together, 3-4 variables together, and club it using concatenate left, right and mid functions to make it much more easier for the analysis purpose. I hope you understand the use of left, mid and right function, at the same time concatenate function. If you have not seen my video on left, right or mid function, do please watch. You will understand this concept very easily. It will hardly take 5 minutes for you, but once you understand these functions, these concepts easily, it will make your life lot more easier. See you in the next video. Thank you.